T-Rex. The one is by the blue. And a Triceratops. A Stegosaurus.
A Stegosaurus?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa!
A pterodactyl. Is a pterodactyl.
It also is a pterodactyl.
And a Triceratops. And a Triceratops.
It's the same thing.
That's my Triceratops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And even his tongue, he eats grass. And it's a pterodactyl. A walks. Of life. The Brachiosaurus. He eats the trees. A T-Rex. It's a pterodactyl. The Triceratops. He got him. He eats like this. Fossil egg. Dinosaurs. The clock out to get the food from the dinosaurs and get their food. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7.
That's very close.
Baby dinosaurs.
The word Triceratops means three-horned face. But I like to explain it to her as three-horned eyeballs. Triceratops was a very large herbivore that ate lots and lots of trees and plants and whatever. What's this?
A pterodactyl.
It's the Quetzalcoatlus.
Quetzalcoatlus.
The Quetzalcoatlus was the largest living thing to ever rule the sky. Its wingspan was 40 feet. Then the Pteranodon, its wingspan was 20, and the Tyrannosaurus was 10 feet. This is often mistaken for things like the pterodactyls, pterodactylus, Tyrannosaurus. This is not a dinosaur or a bird. It's actually a flying reptile called a pterosaur. What's this?
A T-Rex.
This is a T-Rex, one of the fiercest carnivores that ever lived. It's a carnivore, so it eats meat only. And it doesn't eat these eggs. Like, seeing it eat this thing would be crazy. It doesn't eat eggs. It eats the live things. If it doesn't move, it's not interested. That's how dinosaurs got away from it. They just play dead. What's this?
A Brachiosaurus.
This is the Brachiosaurus, even though she calls it the Brachiosaurus. The Brachiosaurus was also a huge herbivore, like Triceratops. But really, the Brachiosaurus was 10 times big, like way bigger. And it had a very long neck and a large tail. Its head was very small. And it ate from the tallest trees. What's this?
A Stegosaurus.
This is the Stegosaurus, another large herbivore. It had big tail spikes and large plates. We don't know what it's for, but we have hypothesis that it's for warming up and cooling off and for attracting the mates. Its brains were also very tiny. A large Stegosaurus, twice the size of this room, had a brain that was smaller than this, the size of a peanut. These eggs they're this big, so they were probably laid by the Triceratops. And this is their baby. They lay their eggs in a nest on the ground and usually in a jungle. And they don't have to worry about freezing.
Ants! Look!
It did.
Well, other dinosaurs eat the eggs, and most likely they're pterodons, velociraptors, Spinosaurus. T-Rex eats the live ones. He's not interested in things that don't move. They have their different ways. Like the pterodon, sometimes it pees to keep predators away. The pee has a scent that's so strong that other dinosaurs would instantly flee.
The Triceratops. This is the crocodile that lived way back in the Triassic. It's the Tyrannosaurus Rex. This is the biggest turtle that lived with dinosaurs, the Archelon. He eats them.
Mm-hmm.
He doesn't eat them. He poops out. He poops it out.